friends, welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin and let's analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So if you people remember, yesterday I had said that if we open somewhere flat in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, so flat means somewhere here. I said if we open somewhere here, our immediate target would be these two areas. But I also said that if we see a significant gap up, then we will see a sideways market, and that's what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. If we see, it's clearly a sideways market in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now let's see how do we trade for tomorrow. Participant wise OI data I'm just showing you, but this is not going to be useful for us for tomorrow because these positions that you see here, they are huge positions. So these positions are normally because of expiry day. So the actual positions that we will analyze will begin from tomorrow. So that's the only reason why we are not going to analyze this data. But overall, the data is bullish, is what we can expect because of a bullish opening. But there is one more thing that you will have to keep in mind. Tomorrow there is an RBI monetary policy meeting, so there will be some volatility. So post the meeting, I think we can definitely go for a good trade. So now if we look at the option chain also, so option chain is also not required actually. The best thing that we can do is, just a moment, let me just quickly open the option chain. So if we look at the next week's option chain, what we can see is 17,800 people have made straddle, like call and put both have been sold, and there is a resistance at 18,000 and support at 17,700. So this is the overall option chain. Let's look at Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty, the resistances are strong. So 38,000 still holds a very good resistance, and if you see, the supports aren't that great. So let's see the price chart to understand how do we trade tomorrow. So let's first look at Bank Nifty. So as mentioned, it opened a significant gap up and then it was sideways completely. So this is the range that you should be marking down. So this is my, sorry. So this is the top range, this area, and this is my bottom range. So nothing, we'll do simple thing. We will trade the range breakout. So if we see a breakout upside, we will buy a call option. If we see a breakout downside, we'll buy a put option. So what should be your target? Upside, I'm not expecting a very big target. The only reason is we saw that 38,000 has a good amount of resistance. So only if we cross this high, which is around 38,100, and if we sustain above for like say 30 minutes, is when this 38,000 people would start exiting their position and they'll cover their position and the market will move up. And but the closing, if you see, for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, the closing is towards the downside. So in case if you open within this range, say flat opening or maybe a 50, 60 points, 80 points gap up or gap down, if we see this level being broken, we can immediately take a trade. Our first target would be 37,400, and in case if we break that, the next target is 37,100. So this should be your target for Bank Nifty. And post the RBI meet, there is a probability that market may take a trend. Okay, so keep a watch on that. Now let's look at Nifty. So this is Nifty. Nifty again, same thing. Entire day it was in a range. So mark the top range and the bottom range. Okay. So as soon as if we open flat and if we break this, don't worry about this particular level, because if we break this, then we will only stop here, which is around 17,650. So the breakout level would be around 17,780. So if we see a candle closing below 17,780, you can definitely buy a put and your target should be this place. So this should be the plan. And in case if we break upside, so upside you should only buy if it crosses 17,880. If you see a candle closing here, if it sustains here, then you can take an entry. Your immediate target should be 17,940 to 950. So in case if we sustain above this level, then there would be a very big short covering. So I would not recommend you to take a risk beyond this, but you can trade until this point. So I hope things are clear. So we saw a sideways market today. Market is in range, and we are going to trade the range breakout tomorrow. So in case if there is a gap up, gap down, hold on till the time the RBI policy meet is over. Once the meet is over, and wherever it gives a breakout, trade that side. Okay. So thank you so much for listening. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.